Greetings, Yamada. Hey, how are you guys and girls feeling? This is Illuminating Light, Sharing, and Shining Light. Now, this channel is about sharing and shining light on many ways under the sun to live a longer and healthier lifestyle. So today we are making a green smoothie. So let's get ready. Okay, this green smoothie consists of Spirulina, which is a complete source of protein. Yes, it is. This is going to give you the energy and all the good protein that you need. And it's plant-based protein. So, the next thing that we're going to be adding also to this is mangoes. We're going to be adding, which I can go ahead and put that in now. Now, I already have in here some small bananas. Have y'all ever seen those small bananas? Bananas that be in Walmart. They got these little small bananas. Now, Dr. Sebi talks about those small bananas, and he says that they are alkaline. Thank you, Dr. Sebi, for sharing with us and helping us to live a longer and healthier lifestyle. So we already have in here the small bananas. They've been in the refrigerator, so now they're a little brown, but that's okay. We're gonna take off this top. The next thing that we'll be adding is mango. They already been cut up. The next thing we'll be adding is almonds. Let's get some almonds in. I hope that's not too much. The next thing to this green smoothie is 10. Alkaline pH 10 water. We are electrical beings, so we need to be eating and drinking alkaline things so we can continue to stay balanced and healthy. So we're gonna add in some alkaline water, pH 10. The next thing I'll be adding is ice. I normally don't do smoothies with ice, but since we're using the Ninja and this ice is purified ice that comes out of filter system, I'm gonna add that this time. And next we have pure cane sugar. hope that's sweet enough. I really do. And the last thing we're gonna add is the spirulina. So let's go ahead and put spirulina in. The spirulina in. Make this green smoothie. I hope it's enough water in there. So let's add the top on to this smoothie. This is my first time using this. My first time, very first time. So it's on. And we're gonna push smoothie. Okay, I'm going to turn it off just in case it's not done. And I'm going to take this smoothie. Consistency. Let me taste it. That's pretty good. Now, normally what I would do, and I forgot to get this when I was at the grocery store, I would add lime to my green smoothies, but I don't have it this time, so it's not going to be that limey, rich taste, that tangy taste. So that's not in this smoothie, but it's still good. Okay, that's our green smoothie video, just sharing and shining light. This is Illuminating Light. Follow us at Illuminated Light 3. Any questions, please just leave a comment right here on YouTube or follow me on Instagram. Peace and love. And remember that you all are gods and goddesses creating the life that we are thinking of. So be mindful of your thoughts and remember to eat healthy, love yourself more, and get out and travel this world. Enjoy life. Peace and love, you guys.